We're gonna need a bigger tram. Okay, nobody panic. My buddy George is scuba diving out there by that boat. He'll know what to do. One second. Hey, George. What should we do about that shark? George, why don't you give us a signal if you're okay? Okay, all right. Any small kids on board? George is going to take a little nap right now. Yeah, he'll be fine. Don't worry about George. Now we're going to stop for just a second. Once again, remember to sit all the way down. We're going to park in a safe area by a whole bunch of flammable gasoline. Very, very safe. Woo! That's real. Can everybody feel that? That is real. Screams for that plastic shark. I'll take it. I'll take what I can get. Now the shark's he's gonna go right back into that water to scare the next tram. There he goes. Bye, Brucey. We're gonna come back to that area in just a moment, but first we're gonna go thunder, lightning, rain. Okay, let's start. Thunder coming from speakers high up above our heads. Lightning coming from a strobe light. And you know what they say? Thunder only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. It's good advice. Look on your left side, everybody. Look at that gorgeous rain. Oh my goodness. That is coming from something very fancy. It's called a sprinkler. That's it. I know. I'm blowing your minds right now. I am going to turn the water off because if I don't turn it off in time, that could be bad. That could be like thousands of gallons of water just rushing right towards us. Give me 1 second. I'm going to turn it off. Yeah, this button's not working. Okay, new plan, everybody. Stay seated. Keep looking on your left, and no matter what happens, this is the most important part. Don't blame your tour guide. Here it comes. Ooh, that is our flash flood. That is the oldest attraction on the back block. Besides me. I'm going to show you what it looked like in a very cute movie called Big Fat Liar.
You can't outrun the wolf, kid! Yeah, we'll see about that. Alright, everybody, take a good look around. We are now in the Old West. They call this area 6 Points. All the big cowboy movie stars used to film their westerns right here. But even if it's not a western, they film here all the time. This is where Quentin Tarantino filmed his latest movie, Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. They filmed right here with Leonardo DiCaprio, Margot Robbie, and my future husband. But it's also where they filmed a TV show that I loved called Murder, She Wrote, with the great Angela Lansbury.